I know what you are. Show it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing a swatch and a try on the Hard Candy Glitteratzi Glitter Gel Palette, and it looks like this. With that being said, let's get started. So this is the front, and again, this is by Hard Candy, and this is the back. So in the back it does state instructions, quote, use alone, mix and match, or layer over other makeup, use for face and body, end quote. Also that we love our animal friends, we do not test products on them. And Electric Sunset again. Let's open this up. It does have this here. It does have this here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like a tape. Oh. It has more tape on the sides. This is a mirror. There's a mirror up here. It's the size of this golden kind of thing right here. This is how it looks. These glitter gel eyeshadows do not have a name, and it doesn't even have them on the back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch them. in this order. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 1, 2, 3, and then 4, like that in a row. I'm just gonna go this way. Whoa. Okay guys, so when you guys are gonna swatch them or even apply them, be very careful, because even with like the slightest touch, like even if you're going so gentle with them, they go everywhere and you get like this whole big chunk of them, and I don't like that. They look very pretty, very glittery, like I like them. It doesn't want to come off at all. I mean, that's good if you really want it long lasting. But OMG, I'm gonna be like this the whole day now. I'm literally just like the slightest touch. Look at that big indent. The slightest. I'm gonna try this so you guys can see. You guys see that? The slightest touch, and I don't have anything here. I have to be like tapping it. I don't like that. Okay, that's pretty. Okay, that's very pretty, guys. It's very pretty, very glittery, but I don't like the consistency of this. And it's literally not blending well, and it's not. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this whole gold one on my eyelid. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that. Slightest touch, it goes literally everywhere. I don't like that. I understand that they're cream eyeshadows, like gel, but this is like too watery for me to be applying it. And okay guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Now let's get on to the final review. So I really like glitter, like a lot, but this palette, the glitter doesn't even want to come off. It doesn't want to blend. It goes on soft, but once you're getting it in the brush or in the little like sponge applicator that I used, it's like it doesn't even show there. You have to keep on applying it little by little, making sure that like you don't build it up in the same spot, because then it starts falling off. It doesn't even feel like gel. It feels more like water. Like if it were to be literally like water with glitter. Would I recommend it for everyday makeup? No. I like the brand Hard Candy. I like that it's affordable. I do not like how it feels. I do not like how it applies. I do not like how it's not really buildable. I do not like the fact that it's literally everywhere and it doesn't want to come off. I do not like that it gets on every product that I used. It's all over my mascara wand. Out of 5, I give this product a 2. I'm gonna try and take it off in front of you guys. Ooh, the glitter hurts. Taking the glitter off, it's hurting. It's like very rough. Guys, I like the glitter here because I'll look like Edward, like Bella. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.